Hi there, I just want to make a moment to share an incredible experience I had with Galaxy Training. If you're considering getting your RSS certificate, trust me, this is the place to go. The team at Galaxy Training made the entire process so smooth and stress free. From the easy to follow modules to the hand on examples, everything was designed to make sure I am not only understood but really mastering the content. Thanks to Galaxy Training, I now hold my RSS certificate, which means I am ready and qualified to work in responsible service of alcohol. Their course that didn't teach me the basics. It gave me the confidence I need to success in this field. And it wasn't just about the certificate. Galaxy Training went above and beyond the fantastic support and clear instruction, making learning on about breeze. So a massive thank you to Galaxy Training for helping me achieve this milestone. If you're looking to get your RSS certificate or upskill, I highly recommend them. Trust me, you won't regret it. Once again, thank you, Galaxy Training. You have been amazing.